Let's see how to change the language back to English in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. And right now, as you can see, our document or the display language is in Filipino. And let's say that we want to change it back into English. To do that, first click on the File tab, and from here, click on Option. It should be the last one on this list if you don't have any recent files down here. And click on Language, which is the fifth option in this list right here. And select English on this first one. Then select the last button on this list at the top. Now click on OK. Now click OK again. And simply restart Microsoft Word. And as you can see, our Microsoft Word display language is now back to English. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.